Welcome to Module 7. In this session I'm going to shift focus from what the MRCP exams look like to how you can learn the kind of medicine that the MRCP truly examines. This is not about memorizing facts, it's about building the kind of clinical understanding, reasoning style and pattern recognition that allow you to answer exam questions with confidence and practice safe, structured medicine in your daily work. This module is all about learning deeply, efficiently and intelligently. MRCP knowledge feels very different from medical school knowledge. One of the biggest surprises for early MRCP candidates is how different MRCP-style learning feels compared to medical school. Medical school rewards memorization. MRCP rewards clinical reasoning. The exams expect you to integrate symptoms, signs, investigations and guidelines, recognize patterns that suggest common diagnoses, rule in or out dangerous alternatives, make safe management decisions, and prioritize what matters most. Memorization alone is not enough. The MRCP rewards understanding, the kind of understanding that lets you adapt to variations of the same theme. Many candidates prepare using a surface learning approach, reading summaries, memorizing lists, scrolling through notes, or passively consuming large amounts of content. This creates the illusion of competence, but not the durability needed for the MRCP. Deep learning is different. It requires three things. Firstly, you need to understand why an answer is correct. Not just that treatment X is used, but why and why not the alternatives. The MRCP constantly tests this reasoning. You need to be able to explain the concept in simple terms. If you can't teach a thing, you don't understand it. And seeing the theme more often than once. Repetition in different contexts, different vignettes, different patients, different question forms cement your understanding. Deep learning makes the exam feel more predictable because patterns suddenly become apparent. Each MRCP has a small number of exam logic themes that come up repeatedly. Candidates who recognize these patterns do substantially better, not because they've memorized more, but because they understand the exam's priorities. Here are some examples. Cardiology, distinguishing the types of heart block. ACS management sequences, murmur interpretation and associated conditions, heart failure classifications and first-line treatments. MRCP cardiology is obsessed with safe sequencing of investigations and treatment. Respiratory, recognizing obstructive versus restrictive patterns, acute asthma versus COPD exacerbation management, PE diagnosis pathways, interstitial lung disease patterns. Again, pattern recognition and safe management dominates. Gastroenterology, acute liver flare causes and red flags. Variceal bleeding management, IBD flare algorithms, interpretation of LFT patterns. These are predictable and recur frequently. In neurology, stroke syndromes come up, peripheral neuropathy patterns, MS features, seizure types and management. Each specialty has its own MRCP personality, and once you begin to see these patterns, the exam becomes dramatically easier. The MRCP uses a very particular structure in its questions. Understanding this structure is one of the fastest ways to level up your performance. There are three key components. The first is the anchor clue. This is the clue that the entire question hangs on, the detail that distinguishes the real diagnosis from the distractor. For example, a collapsing pulse often means aortic regurgitation. Diarrhea after antibiotics tends to mean C. difficile. Hypercalcemia and kidney stones often means primary hyperparathyroidism. If you learn to spot the anchor clue early, the rest of the question becomes straightforward. The second thing to be aware of is the distractors. MRCP distractors are carefully chosen so that they look plausible. Your job is to know that they're wrong and why, and this requires understanding and not just memorization. The final thing you need to be aware of is the safest next step. The MRCP consistently rewards the safest, most guideline-aligned initial action. If two answers seem reasonable, pick the one that is quicker, safer, less invasive, or more definitive. Recognizing these patterns transforms MRCP questions from overwhelming to manageable. Every candidate has weak areas. The difference between passing and failing is simply whether you address them deliberately. A systematic approach includes step 1, identify the weak theme, not just the weak question. For example, you don't have a problem with that endocrinology question, you have a problem with adrenal insufficiency or diabetic emergencies or thyroid function patterns. And then correct the theme, not the item. Step 2, review a concise explanation. This should be short and clear. Long textbook chapters create more noise than value. And then step 3, re-expose yourself to the concept through new questions. Repetition across different contexts cements your learning. Step 4, return to the topic a week later. Spaced repetition is crucial. A week later you will either remember it easily, which is great, or forget it slightly. Even better now that your brain will strengthen the memory further. This process makes your weaknesses shrink predictably over time. To perform well in the MRCP, you must train yourself to think clinically, sequentially, safely, and efficiently. This means spot red flags immediately, prioritize life-saving actions first, use investigations when they change management, avoid unnecessary tests, choose the treatment that aligns with guidelines, keep differential diagnoses broad at first and then narrow logically. This is not just exam technique, it's good medicine. Clinical Skills Pro is built specifically to help you learn MRCP-style medicine in the way examiners expect, through pattern recognition, clear reasoning, and repeated exposure to high-yield clinical themes. Because it contains the largest MRCP Part 1 and Part 2 question banks available, you get access to a huge variety of exam-style questions, consistent reinforcement of recurring patterns, and wide coverage across all specialties. Each question is supported by 2 layers of explanation. Short, clear explanations. These give you key principles quickly, perfect for reinforcing correct reasoning and ensuring rapid progress. They're the ideal ones for spaced repetition, everyday practice, and maintaining momentum. And then these are supplemented with deep dive explanations. For questions that highlight persistent weaknesses, Clinical Skills Pro provides comprehensive, structured deep dive explanations. These break down pathophysiology, diagnostic logic, clinical prioritization, safe management sequencing, and how the concept appears in different variations of MRCP questions. Deep dives allow you to transform weak topics into strengths by building a deep, resilient understanding and not just ephemeral memorization. Because Clinical Skills Pro also hosts the largest PACES video library globally, you can connect written exam reasoning with real patients, real signs, and real clinical presentations. This combination of concise explanations, deep dives, and real patient videos gives you a multi-layered learning system, one that deepens knowledge, strengthens weak areas, and accelerates the pattern recognition for all MRCP exams. MRCP-style learning is not about accumulating facts. It's about building understanding that becomes automatic. In practical terms, you need to identify high-yield themes, learn patterns, master the anchor clues, eliminate weak areas one theme at a time, repeat concepts across different questions until they're obvious. Think clinically, not theoretically. When you do this, the exams stop feeling unpredictable and start feeling structured, logical, and manageable. In Module 8, I'll look at the tools and resources that actually work, how to use them efficiently, and how to avoid the resource overload that so many candidates fall into. Thank you for joining me for this module. When you're ready, let's continue to modulate and explore the revision resources that genuinely make a difference in MRCP preparation.